Hello everyone. Today we learn about logical function in Excel, that is if function. First we need to understand comparison of two numbers. By the comparison of two numbers we will get answer like true and false if we use only the conditional operators, or we can say logical operators. Let's see how we can do this. Just click equal to, the number B4 is greater than C4. So of course this is not greater than, so B4 is not greater than C4. So we will get the answer is false. So this is how we can compare two numbers. This is called the condition. And same thing we can put in a if function as well. Currently we are getting only the boolean value true or false. What if we want the answer as a 1 0 pass fail, like that? Let's see how we can do that. To achieve this we require if function formula. Let's see how we can do that. Type equal to if, open bracket. Now it says logical test. So what is logical test? That is our condition which we have done for previous cell. So I want to compare these two numbers, so select B4 is greater than C4. I write comma. So this tells us that what if this condition is true. What will be the result if the condition is true? So we say, if the condition is true, I need 1. Again put comma. Now if, what if the condition is false? So what value we need if this condition will get false? So we need 0. Close the bracket, press enter. Let's see. So here we get value 0 because the condition is false. Now somebody says, I want to print the text like pass and fail. I do not want to print this 1 0 true false boolean. I want to print the pass and fail. So let's see how we can do that. So again type equal to if, open bracket. Now again put condition, select this cell, greater than sign, this cell, comma, and double quotation mark. So now if we want to print any kind of text, it should be in the double quotation. So this is the rule. Okay, pass, close the double quotation, again comma. If the condition is fail, I want to print the fail. Okay, fail, double quotation completed, bracket completed, enter. So you can see that the value printed is pass because the condition is true. Now somebody says, whatever my case is, format cases, I want pass and fail to be printed in a uppercase only. So let's see how we can do that. So again type equal to if, open parenthesis, select first cell greater than second cell, comma. Again we can use here the text function which is upper, open parenthesis. Again this is a text, so we have to write in a double quotation mark. We write as in a small case pass, close double quotation, close parenthesis, comma. If the condition is fail, we need to print fail but in uppercase. So again we write upper, open parenthesis, open quotation mark, fail in a small case, close double quotation, close parenthesis, and the whole bracket we can close over here. Okay, and now press enter. See, this will print us for pass but in a uppercase. The same way you can print yes or no. This is just another example, but the formula will be the same. Let's do the practice again. So type equal to if, open bracket, select this cell, greater than sign, select this cell, comma, we open double quotation, type yes, close the double quotation mark, comma, and if the condition is we need no. Here we do not want fail, but here we want to print as no. Close the double quotation mark, complete the bracket, press enter. Okay, so condition is true, so it will print yes. If condition will false, then it will print no. And again, now if we want to addition of these two cells if the condition is true, and if the condition is false, then we need to print just a zero. Here it is mentioned over like this. So let's see how we can do that. We repeat the same thing again. Equal to if open bracket, select this cell, greater this sign, this cell, comma, value. Okay, now we want here is to be value. If the condition is true, to be value to be print this sum of these two values. So we write B4 plus C4. I want the sum of these two things if the condition is true. Now comma. Again, if the condition is false, just print 0. So I'll put 0 here. Close the complete bracket, press enter. See that 80 plus 40, it will give 120. Based on this condition is true. Other, if the condition is false, then it will print 0. Let's say somebody want to print today's date if the condition is true, and if the condition is false, then what we need is we need today's date plus add 10 days in it and print that date. So let's see how we can do that. So again I repeat, equal to if open bracket, again same condition, select this cell, greater than, again this cell, comma. Now we write the date function, it is today. Okay, so if the condition is true, it will print today's date, and if the condition is false, then we need to print today date plus 10 date after 10 days date. Okay, so press enter. Okay, so you see this is the numbers over here, but this is not by mistake. By default Excel what do is, by default Excel print this type of date, we need to format it. So go to the home tab, and here you can see this format general, but we need to select from here is a short date. So just select short date. Yes, so you can see that. So today we have November 1st, so it will printing November 1st. Let's see how the all the result will change if value is changing. So here I'll write like less number than this C4 value. So I write 20. Let's say I write 20. Press enter. So again everything will be changed. Here from true to it will be false. Here from 1 it will print 0. Here from the pass fail it will fail. Again this is fail in capital letters. Again it is a no. Here 0 and plus here let's see here in today's date 10 days added. So 10 days is 11. So 11/11/2025 is printed over here. That's all for this video. You will learn about if function, that logical function. Please like and share this video.